Today I am going to Chimory, traveling from Surabaya. Today I am going to Chimory, traveling from Surabaya via Toll Pandan. It's not very much crowded right now, as you can see the areas beside me, in fact behind me. Right now I am in car. The weather is getting pleasure, especially in Surabaya. It was hot, but now when we are getting more and more near to the Chimory, the weather is getting pleasant, and I'm getting like a feeling that I am going to Batu. Before this I have been to Batu, so I remember the weather. It was really nice, so that's why I mentioned the Batu. As you can see the views mentioned of the weather, there are clouds and the weather is getting more excited. So stick with the video, keep watching, you will catch a lot of excitement in the video later. Just keep enjoying. And now this is the time to go inside. Time to buy the tickets. So I'm entering now the Chimory. I have the tickets, I have these coupons so I can buy ice cream, and I got this totally free, the Chimory, and I can enjoy it. Wow, enjoy in free. Always delicious, as always. Yes, this drink is always very delicious. The first time when I got to Surabaya, when I drank that, it was very lovely. This time as well, it's very interesting. Just look at these cows. I think today is not very crowded, maybe because it's not the weekend. That's why I think it's not very crowded. This is waiting for you. Just look at these kids, they look very happy and they are very exciting. Yeah, they were looking very exciting. They were very happy because mostly the kids, they really like this place. And wow, just look at the view. The view is just superb. Beautiful. The best view ever. You cannot get anything like this, trust me. You can only get that in beautiful Indonesia. That is why it's called the wonderful Indonesia. I feel like I'm surrounded by cows. As you can see, there are so many. And I'm getting a feeling like they are coming towards me. Beautiful. As I said earlier, this place is very much famous in kids, and the reason are these kind of drawings, especially the love of kids with the yogurt, with Chimory and milk. So as I said earlier, usually if kids, they will see this kind of stuff, they will see this kind of drawings, then they become more excited and then they want to take pictures with this kind of stuff. So I would say that if you will bring your kids, they will be very much happy in this kind of place. Everywhere in this place you will see Chimory, the drawings, the cows, a lot of milk and every dairy product. And the message is clear because they want to convey the message that these stuff are very much important, especially for us, especially for the kids, and they have a lot of importance in our life. Books are also available. And I think their literature is about what? Yeah, mostly about kids. Yeah, mostly about the nature, how to preserve the nature. Yeah. So I think this is a perfect area for kids, not just for kids but for the adults as well. If you would drink milk, then this should be the effect. You would become more powerful. Yes. It's amazing. This is the best adventure ever in Shimori. You will feel amazing. This is very exciting, and trust me, you must give it a try. It's the best feeling ever. Even the kids also, they can try. It's perfectly safe. If I can try, it means everyone can try. And trust me, this is the best thing about the Shimori. Need to press this again so we can pass this. Yeah, yes. Now it's time to go down. Especially about this place, I like the view. The view is looking very great. Maybe today the weather is a bit hot because the sun just came out. Earlier it was pleasant when it was cloudy, but now I think maybe because the sun came out, so now I'm feeling a bit hot. And wow, 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 this is amazing. Just look. Isn't this beautiful? You are beautiful, yes. This is beauty. I wish it was cloudy, because if it's cloudy then it would feel more nice. But still, I'm very much enjoying myself. Though I'm not a kid, I'm being an adult. But still, I'm really enjoying myself. This place is the best place ever. Not just for kids, but for couples, for adults, for families, for a guy like me as well. This kind of a wonderful beauty you would see rarely. You would see that only in Indonesia, and you would see that only in Shimori. If you can see far over there, very down, there are the rice fields. There are a lot of trees as well. There are mountains. There is one other very high mountain, but I think there are so many clouds, that's why you guys won't be able to see that. But there is such a high mountain. It's very high. But I think today, because it's not weekend, that's why so many families, they are not here, because it's Thursday. Usually on weekend there would be more and more families. There would be the crowd a lot more and more. And now, as you can see, when now it's getting afternoon, more and more families are coming. The weather is also now getting more pleasant. And please don't make the place dirty. Like it started rain, so that's why I'm entering to the Dairyland. In Dairyland, there is actually a lot of animals. As I said earlier, it's a kind of zoo. So inside you can find a lot of animals. And I think there is a train as well. Also, someone told me there is a train also. And speaking of the animals, yes, the cow is waiting for us. And yes, it started to rain. It will make the excitement more, because this place is looking already amazing, especially if the rain would start. The weather is now more pleasant, as I said earlier, so now it will feel more amazing. Speaking of the animals, I got a little babies and they are sleeping. They look very tired, as you can see. Yes, they are looking very tired. And they cannot even feel my presence in here. Oh, here. Sorry, I woke you up. Yeah, better you sleep, okay? I think here I saw some other. Oh yeah, oh my god, oh. Wow. Yes. Come here, baby. Come here. Wow, and look at their colors. There is green. It's like kind of orange. This one also. That one also. And they're very calm. I think they must have eaten a lot. I think so. Yeah. The one is getting excited. And by the way, it's very fat. Ooh, don't bite. It's not just humans, but even these cows, baby, also they love the milk. So you need to take good care of them, because when they would become adult, then they would be able to give you the milk. So that's why I'm gonna feed this one baby. Ini, come on. I think this one is more. Oh my god. Yeah. Take it easy. 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 Yeah. Like a baby. You're like a baby. Wow. Exciting. Wow, so quickly, already finished. Yeah, good baby. Hello, how are you? Wow, very strong, looking very strong, yes. Both of them, they're very strong. And they look very friendly, right? Yeah, they're very friendly. Yes, they are in good care, as we can see. Hello, why you are sad? Oh, not sad, but actually it's getting sleepy and enjoying the weather. And wow, that's what earlier I was talking about. Just look at the mountain. Isn't it looking exciting, amazing, beautiful? Yeah. In a group, very happy, and they are enjoying their swimming. On this side also, there are rabbits. Hello, rabbits. They are busy in their own business, so better we don't disturb them. Let them be. Yeah, now they look. By the way, they are looking very pretty. Beautiful, cantik. And I'm wondering, there is one house also. I'm wondering who are living there. What kind of birds or animals? Wow, there are a lot. So many. Oh, they are coming towards me. Hey, I don't have anything. I think it's thinking that I have something for it to eat. They are very friendly. I think they are hungry. It's time to move on. Wow, there is the camel. Camel looks very busy, I think eating something. Hello. But very busy in eating. There are some other birds enjoying. And wow, look, the big birds. But just stay away from them, otherwise they will chase you like Jumanji. There are the horses. Wow, they are so cute, especially the small ones. And look at this one. Yes, the big babies are here. I'm wondering what are they eating. Hello. Do you have the guts to do these kind of stunts? I don't think so. He's enjoying himself. I don't know, it's a him or her. Anyways, enjoying itself. There, the swimming pool. Kids are enjoying there. And the view is pretty exciting. After exploring the Dairyland, this is it. It's finished. Now it's time for Kalur. As you can see the sign there. Overall, I would say this is the best place, especially if you are looking for a place where you can enjoy the nature, where you can enjoy with your family, where you can enjoy with your kids. But here is a lot of stuff for the adults, stuff for the teenagers, stuff for the kids, stuff for the families. You can enjoy in here. To be honest, for me, the views, they were more interesting. I really enjoyed the views, and that was the thing that this place really made me happy. Chimory is amazing. I really enjoyed my day today here, and now it's time for Kaluar. I will go to the cafe and there I will try to eat something. This was today's video. This was Chimory. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed while I was in Chimory. In my opinion, it's such a good place, especially if you are looking for such kind of adventure, if you are looking for a family fun. I really enjoyed, and as you can see now while I am leaving, there is heavy rain, but still even I'm enjoying this rain. Keep supporting, keep subscribing. With your support, it always gives me the courage to make more and more content for you guys. This is it. So till my next video, take care.